Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, on this video I'm going to be making nkwobi. So a customer just order it, so that is what I'm going to be doing. So I've already started adding my potash water into my palm oil, so I'm still going to be adding more. So this is the potash water I'll be using, so it was half cup, so this is the remaining one, so I'm going to be adding it. So I was thinking I'm going to make this video, so at the beginning I almost forgot, so that is why I didn't take you guys along at the beginning. So feel free, and if you want to see the full recipe, I already have it on my channel. Just type beauty ICN and nkwobi, you will see the full recipe on my channel. Yeah, so we are going to go ahead and add all our spices to it. So to season, we are going to be adding some crayfish powder, So I just added some crayfish powder. Then I'm going to be adding African nutmeg, so I'm going to be adding my half tablespoon. Then I'm going to be adding my dried pepper into it. And I'm also going to be adding my powdered nutmeg a little bit. Then I'm going to stir everything together, to know if I'm going to be adding more or not. So I've already added my pepper. Then I'm also going to be adding my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit because all pepper are not the same, because I just want to get the taste of both the dry pepper and fresh pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my scotch bonnet pepper in there. Give it a nice stir. I'm going to be giving a taste. I'm going to add a little bit of African nutmeg to it. Then I'm also going to be adding a little bit of my salt. Guys, at this juncture, I'm going to be adding my cow leg into it. Just going to continue to make sure everywhere is combined and well saturated with the sauce. Then I'm going to be garnishing with utazi leaf. So if you don't have utazi leaf, because utazi leaf is very bitter, then I'm going to be sprinkling a little bit of utazi leaf, and then oziza is what I have at the hand. So feel free to use any of that you have. This is my oziza leaf. I just added a little bit, for garnishing. I'm also going to be adding onions. I don't have the red onions. Then I'm going to be using the normal onions. Yeah. So if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and also share. That is it. So guys, this is the finishing part. So this is how I'm going to deliver this, because it's for two different people. So this is how I go. It's just the same thing you are seeing inside. It's the same quantity that is here that is also here. So I've already, like, this one is going out right away, so that is why I didn't add those scissor leaf here, because this is not going out, this is going out later the day. So this one that is going out, so I'm just going to be garnishing it with my onions. So red onions is best for this if you have it, but I don't have red onions, so I just have to do with what I have. So if you have red onions, feel free to use it to garnish it. Okay, that is it for this video. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye. Peace out.